and let's check out the show. Hey friends, hey! It is Monday morning. See, I'm already messed up because this Monday has already given me a little Monday blues. I had to start off this morning doing a lot of work, and the weather's funky, so I usually, like to go running, walking, things like that before I go to the gym. And so now I'm just trying to head straight to the gym. So this is my outfit. So this is what I am wearing. It is from B-Fly LA. You could find B-Fly LA on Instagram. I want to say I've been shopping there for like, I don't know, a couple years now, but not just athleisure, dresses, shorts, jumpsuits, pants, whatever. And it's a good site, fast shipping. So I've been shopping there for a while, and then, and I'm not taking you guys to the gym with me. I'm sorry, y'all. I will probably later when I get used to the whole vlogging thing. But I just can't do the whole setup and try to do my little workout. No, and then try to keep track of, oh shoot, I brought a camera in. No, so I'm gonna put that on hold for now. And then after that, the dealership has been calling me. I bought 2 new vehicles last year. Don't know what got into me. I don't know if it was the lockdown, me just being bored one day, jumping up saying, let me go get 2 vehicles. I don't know. But what I do know is that they've been calling me. They said, please come in, please come in. And I'm like, is it a recall? Like, what could possibly be going on? What do y'all want? No, but they haven't told me what it is. So I have no idea what it could be. So if your girl come back in the Uber, I'll go ahead and record it for y'all. No, I'm just playing. But if, whatever comes of it, I'm going to let you guys know. You guys are my friends now. I got to let y'all know things that's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and go there, figure out, what's going on, what could possibly be going on at the dealership. So I'll let you guys know. But for right now, going to get this little workout. Boom, bam, and figure it all out from there. Okay? So I'll see you guys soon. Hey friends, it's me again, back from the gym, back from the dealership, and I just wanted to share something with you guys. I went to the dealership and it was nothing about my vehicles, but everything to do with my birthday. And I felt so special, being that I don't have a relationship with them at all. Just a business relationship from where I had got the vehicles. I got a Dodge Ram Rebel. That truck has a lot of power. Okay, that girl, she packs a punch. And then the Wrangler, like I talked about in a previous video, and basically, they follow me on social media, and I had no idea about that either. And so on Instagram, and now they are subscribers of my channel, and they just want to let me know, to keep going, and wanted to give me a birthday gift. Now let me tell you, when you put things out into the atmosphere, like, you just want positivity, you want change, things will change. But I have to be honest and say that, I really wanted some footage to go up on Sundays. If you guys have been following me since the beginning, I have been uploading every Sunday since. So technical errors happen and I wasn't able to do that. So we're just going to keep it moving, right? We're just going to keep going on with the vlogs, and this vlog may or may not be long, I don't know. But if it is, please keep watching. So because it's my very first vlog, and I just, would really love for you guys to watch and see what I do. So next week,
will probably end up being the DC footage. I know I said I had a photo shoot in DC coming up on Saturday, and so that will probably be on the next week's footage, which would be fine. But back to the dealership, they were pretty much telling me to keep going and to, always focus on the dream. And, I wanted to do a channel, and now I'm doing it, and, to not give up. They knew nothing about what I was thinking or anything like that. So just saying that, people will get dropped in your life and things will happen that's unexpected, for you to keep going and pursue your dreams. So I just want to thank them. The dealer's name is Jay, just very awesome. Customer service was excellent when I was getting the vehicles, and I'm in shock. I'm very excited, that people are out there supporting that, you would have no personal relationship with, they don't know you other than you purchase some vehicles. So let's see. Ooh, some Stella Rosa. Okay. Let's see. Okay, you can't go wrong with a little coconut oil, right? Get that ash off. And what else? Wow. Raspberry mimosa, pink raspberry mimosa candle. Let me smell. That smells good. It smells like some candy. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Love yourself first. I had just put that on my stories. If you guys follow me, please follow me on social media, Instagram, TikTok, Tika Loves Fashion. I'm not hard to find. Everything is just Tika Loves Fashion. So, but oh my gosh, I had put this morning or yesterday for my Instagram, Love Yourself First. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Put stuff out there into the atmosphere, and things will begin to manifest for you. Do what makes you happy. And these are excellent. I'm going to be writing my ideas down. Definitely over here, like, in shock. Like, wow, this is what they wanted all this time. They were like, where are you? Can you come by the dealership? And had me thinking, like, well, what is going on? Where am I? Did we have an appointment or something? Like, what's for what? Okay, but hey, I am excited. I get excited about these types of things. They really make me happy, make me all warm inside, because it's just pretty much encouragement for me to keep going. And so, guys, if you guys have things that you are wanting to put out into the atmosphere, the universe, things that you pray about, keep that momentum going, keep the positivity going, keep the positive thoughts going, because things happen like this. They are reminders, key reminders that you're going in the right direction. And I am more than happy about, the direction I'm going in. It's just sometimes, as a human, I get discouraged. So I am on the right path, and I'm staying the course. So thanks to the dealership and everyone that contributed to this gift, because I am excited. And after I get off work, I'm gonna pop open this one, this Stella Rosa. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I do have to go to work, and love you guys. See you soon.